Class 10th Mathematics Chapter 10 Mensuration. Exercise 10.2. Question number 5. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters and its length be 8 meters, then find the cost of the painting it on the outside at the rate of 20 meters per meter square. 20 rupees per meter square. A storage tank a storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with the hemisphere stuck on either end. Solution. First, diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the cylinder 8 meters. Diameter of cylinder 1.4 meters. 1.4 meters is equal to 1.4 meters. Radius R is equal to radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder R is equal to diameter by 2. D by 2 is equal to 1.4 by 2. 1.4 by 2, right? 2 7 ja 14. 0.7 meters. Height of the cylinder is equal to height of the cylinder H is equal to 8 meters. Height of the cylinder 8 meters. Curved surface area of the cylinder. Curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi or h is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 0.7 into height 8. 22 into 2 44 into 8 into 0.7 by 7. 44 into 8. 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32 plus 3 35. 352 into 0.7 by 7. 352 into 0.7 by 7 into 10 by 10 is equal to 352 into 0.7 into 10 7 by 0.7 into 10 7 by 7 into 10 70 is equal to 7 1 ja 7 10 ja 352 by 10 is equal to 35.2 meter square or square meters. Next one, hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to 1.4 meters. Diameter of the hemisphere. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to 1.4 meters. Therefore, radius is equal to d by 2. Radius R is equal to d by 2. is equal to 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7 meters. We know that curved surface area of CSA of hemisphere is equal to hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7. 2 into 22 42, 2 into 22 44 into 0.7 into 0.7 by 7 is equal to 44 into 0.7 into 0.7 0.49 by 7. 0.49 by 7 7 7 ja 49 0.07 is equal to 0.07 into 44 4 7 ja 28 4 into 0 0 4 plus 2 6 4 into 0 0 0 plus 2 2 4 into 0 0 4 7 28 4 into 0 0 plus 2 2 add 8 8 plus 2 10 2 plus 1 3 3.08 is equal to 3.08 meter square or square meter. Curved surface area of CSA of two hemispheres is equal to 2 into 3.08 3.08 into 2 2 8 is 16 2 into 0 0 0 plus 1 1 2 3 is 6 6.16 meter square 6.16 meter square. Therefore total surface area of the storage tank, total surface area of the storage tank is equal to 35.2 plus 6.16 35.2 plus 6.16 6 3 11 41.36 meter square. Cost of painting its surface area is equal to find the cost of painting or it on the outside of at rate of 20 rupees per meter square. 20 rupees per meter square. Total surface area 41.36 meter square. 20 into 1 meter square cost 20 rupees. 20 total 41.36 meter square is 20 into 41.36 41.36 into 20 0 0 0 0 2 6 12 2 3 is 6, 7, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 0 2 7 2 8. Take point 827.25 is equal to 827.20. Okay.